Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Sedona. That bright green sign in the upper right hand corner says that the Kia Sedona is qualified under the Certified Pre-Owned program. Something you should check out when you come and have a look at this Sedona. The Kia Certified program offers many features and benefits to the purchaser. Notice nice bright headlights, LED positioning lights, beautiful silver gray color. Machine finished wheels. And as we go down this Sedona, you also notice that there's signal repeaters in the mirrors, and it says Sirius XM is on, which means that this vehicle comes equipped with Sirius XM radio in a 3-month trial. Has power windows, locks, and mirrors. Exterior mirrors are heated. Sedona has a total of 19,719 kilometers, which is very low. There's the radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM. Has a backup camera. Has dual climate zones, one for the front, one for the back. You can take control up here, or you can let the people control it in the back. And there's the back control for the heater. Also has a conversation mirror, so you don't have to turn around to talk to your passengers. You just look in the mirror and you can keep your eyes on the road. And it also has the powered rear sliding doors. Heated front cloth seats, backup sensors, and active eco. Also has USB and auxiliary inputs for the radio. Has a valet switch on the passenger seat for moving it back and forth and tilting the back. And the driver's seat is powered. I'm just going to push the button up here and open this back door. And there's the back door opening. That's a power door. One of the nice features of the Sedona is that there is the second row windows do go down. And push the button, of course, and down goes the power window and back up again. There's also shades on the back for your passengers in the summertime so they don't get baked by the sun. And this is an 8-passenger unit. That center console flips up. One more feature, please don't do this at home, but down here there's a button to close that door. There's the door closing. Somebody puts their foot in there like I just did, and the door reverses. Very handy if you have children. Nobody's going to get their feet or their fingers stuck in that door. Great safety feature by Kia. The rear, we open it up. Plenty of room for cargo back here. Like I said, this is an 8-passenger unit. Great big deep well for hockey bags and other assorted things that you have to carry around when you have a family. Plenty of seating, and of course with all these seats folded down, plenty of room for cargo. So this Kia Sedona is available. It's 2017 model. West Coast Kia. Best way to make an informed decision as to whether this Kia Sedona will work for you and your family. Come out and test drive it. There's no better way to find out how well it's going to work for your family.